A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all to this session of science. And today we are on the chapter 3, which is producers of food, the green plants. Right, children, we all see green plants all around us. We feel very happy. But do you all know that they are the main producers of food? Had there been no green plants, then the food chain will stop, right? So let's begin. Plants are very important. Well, the food which you eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. Plants need air, water, light, warmth, and nutrients to be healthy. If they are healthy, they can continue in making their own food through photosynthesis. Right? So they are very important for the food. The parts of a leaf. You see this diagram here, right, children? You can see this. This is the diagram of a leaf. You can see auxiliary bud, then petiole, leaf blade, stem, veins, and all those things, right? Take any leaf, observe the lower surface of the leaf. You will see the main vein running across along the center of the leaf. See, children, here it is. Here, this is the main vein, right? Now it has number of side veins. The main vein is called the midrib. The midrib and the side veins help in bringing water and minerals from the stem and carrying out prepared food to other parts of the plant. The flat part of leaf is called the leaf blade. This green part is called the leaf blade. Now, photosynthesis in green leaves. Leaves use carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and sunlight to prepare food for the plants. Sunlight provides the energy required to make food. It is the chlorophyll that traps the sunlight needed to make the food. Right? That means sunlight is the main energy provider. Photo means light and synthesis means to prepare. The root take in water and minerals from the soil and sends it to the stem. The stem transports this water to the leaves. Leaves get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the stomata. The stomatas are the small opening which are there on the leaf. During the process of photosynthesis, simple sugar is formed in the leaves and then oxygen gas is released out in the air through stomata. Now see this chart here. Water plus carbon dioxide plus chlorophyll plus sunlight is equal to plant fluid. Right? Now water from the soil through roots, carbon dioxide from the air through stomata. In the plant food, along with that, oxygen gas is released. Right? The food is in the form of glucose, which is a simple sugar that is used by the plant to produce energy for growth. Right? The remaining glucose is converted to starch. Extra food is stored in the leaves, stem, roots, fruits, and seeds in the form of starch. Now, this is an activity here, right? To test that only green leaves can prepare food. Then take a leaf, it has two colors on it. Then outline it on a sheet of paper. Boil the leaf first in water and then boil it in alcohol to bleach it. And then see what happens. Wash the leaf and put a few drops of iodine on it. Right? Now when you put the iodine on it, then the green part color will change to blue black, while the non-green part will remain unchanged. Now there is another task also given to show that sunlight is needed. Place a potted plant in shade for 24 hours. Cover one of its leaves with black paper so that there is no sunlight coming in contact to it. Right? Now keep this potted plant again on sunlight. Right? Now the pluck the colored leaf, boil it first in water and alcohol, then put a few drops of iodine. The leaf color will not change because no glucose had been formed, because it was in dark, sunlight didn't fall on it. Now, how do plants use their food? Plants use their food in a number of ways for survival and growth. They need to repair worn out cells and build new cells. Plant release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Oxygen is necessary for survival and growth of animals and the human beings on the earth. Plants store their extra food in leaves, stems, and roots. This stored extra food is known as starch. You use these parts as your food. No, vegetables and fruits, whatever we eat, is that extra food which is there. That is what we all eat, right? Now see here, in the yellow portion, water and minerals flow upward. through the roots onto the stem of the plant and then into the leaves of the plant. Now there is another activity given here to show that stored food in potato starch. Take a bottle of dilute iodine solution. It is pale yellow brown in color, but when iodine comes in contact with the starch, its color changes to blue back. See, it's there in the picture. Right, children? So today we saw in this session that about what are the various food food making things which are there in a plant. It is the leaf, stomata, and what all important ingredients are needed. Right, sunlight is there, then water we need, then there should be chlorophyll and all that. I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did in making it. So till we meet again, it's a goodbye.